If you're seeing a Gmail error that says the server rejected your message, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a storage issue or by trying to send an attachment that's too large. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix Gmail error server rejected quickly and safely. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, check your Google storage. A full Google account can cause Gmail to stop sending or receiving messages properly, so this is the first thing you want to verify. Open your browser and go to one.google.com/storage. Once the page loads, you'll see how much storage is being used across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. If your storage is full or almost full, that may be the reason Gmail is rejecting your message. Now, start freeing up space by deleting large files you no longer need. You can remove unused videos, old backups, large attachments, or duplicate photos from Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. Even a small amount of cleanup can make a big difference if your account is right at the limit. The goal here is to create enough available space for Gmail to work normally again. Next, make sure you empty the trash permanently. This step is very important because deleting files alone does not always free up storage right away. Open the trash folder in Google Drive and also check the trash or bin in Gmail if needed. Then empty the trash completely so those files are removed for good. Once that's done, Google can begin reclaiming that storage space. After that, be patient and wait for the storage update to reflect across Google's system. In some cases, it can take 24 to 48 hours before the storage status fully updates everywhere. So if you've already deleted a lot of files and Gmail is still showing the same error, don't panic immediately. Give it some time, then try sending your email again. Now let's check the attachment size, because this is another common reason for the server rejected error. Gmail has a file attachment limit of 25 megabytes. If your file is larger than that, Gmail may reject the message or fail to send it properly. If you need to send a bigger file, upload it to Google Drive first and then share the Drive link inside your email instead of attaching the file directly. Using a Google Drive link is usually the best solution for large documents, photos, videos, or compressed folders. It keeps the email lightweight and prevents sending errors caused by oversized attachments. Just make sure the sharing permissions are set correctly so the recipient can open the file. Once you've checked your storage, emptied the trash, waited for the update, and confirmed your attachment size, try sending the email again. In many cases, that completely fixes the issue and Gmail will work normally. If this video helped you solve the Gmail server rejected problem, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. That support really helps, and it also lets you find more quick fixes when you run into tech issues in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.